Z is currently facing an issue with a Zebra device and needs to get it repaired. To find a solution, Z visits repair.zebra.com, a one-stop center for all repair requests and resources and the gateway to the repair order portal, available 24/7 and in multiple languages. Zebra Repair Guides assist Z with everything. With their help, registration is swift and easy. Logging in, Z easily navigates to the Request Repair tab on the Repair Order portal and enters the relevant information in just a few moments. As a new user, Z wants to make the most of the Repair Order portal. Exploring all of the offered benefits and features, Z discovers that the portal allows checking device warranty and contract entitlements, registering multiple devices, and accessing all repair-related documents. Using the repair guide along the way, Z confidently prepares and submits a new repair order. During the repair process, Z can track the status and stay informed of the repair. All updates can be tracked in real time on the Repair Order portal or through the email notifications which Z enabled in his user settings. In no time, the repaired device is back and ready to be used. At repair.zebra.com, we make device repairs hassle-free, simple, and efficient.